Sayang yung laro ko kanina sa Baron Steel ko kaso nag-rage quit yung mid namin. Yun lang. Usong-uso kasi sa C-serve yung rage quit eh. Dito. Ah? What just happened? Nako, kami na lang yung buhay. Ako na lang yung buhay. Sorry. Magbabaron ba sila? Ah, sayang. Dapat kinancel ko yun. Sayang. Yeah, no spoilers for Arcane, bro. No spoilers here. But I'm gonna have to say this. Episode 2 is one of the best episodes. Diba? Episode... Lost. Ano yan, Maddie? Ano yan?
Lost itlog time!
Ama to, may witsen ba to, Aker?
Nagtanong kay Aker kung wini-witsen.
Botidos.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
So, if we manage...
We are called Los Embutidos.
Los Embutidos.
You fix your tongue. Your tongue is to the left.
How?
Yeah.
Which way is out?
This way.
Bye.
Mid na ako. Ay, saan ako?
Support na ako.
Top ako, top. Ano natin?
Saan ako? Mid ako?
Okay, lalabas ko na yung pinakamalakas ko.
Tama mid ako
Drift. Next season. Diba? Kasi imagine mo yung next season, tatanggalin na yung hex, yung T-hex. Tatanggalin na yung T-hex, so back to traditional. Talon mid sila lagi. Ang kulit niya may
slain.
Tinanggal niya yung galyo ko ha. Hindi makapaglulol sa akin yan. Pwede tayo mag-swap, Boss Rebs. Kunin mo tong ano ko. Nautilus.
More community-based events. Oy, stealing my blue buff. How dare you? You dare steal my blue buff. Wait. Local multiplayer, local versus. Diba? It'll just be local multiplayer. Tapos, hindi pag tapos active. Oh no. Like 2 3 4 5 6. Done. Sige, gulungan natin to. We're rolling! Op, sige, lumapit. Ay, baliktad. Dito pala yung top side. Ay, dito pala yung bot lane, ano. Naka-mirrored map pala kami. And Miguri, hello, welcome to the stream. Okay. Bukas na.
Gate is open.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna show you guys something just to end the stream. Pang-end lang natin. Wait lang. X na natin yan. Yeah. We roll. And we Stirak. Let's go. Makakapatay tayo ng mas mabilis. So, maybe we can go Rabadon agad. Literal na nag-symbolize siya ng Wait, I'm here.
Oh, sabat. Okay talaga yung Ambessa pag si Boss Reps daw gumagamit, pag kalaban daw hindi. Oh.
Uy, bossing. Shots fired, bossing.
Grabe naman yun.
Grabe naman kayo. Huwag ka na dyan, Yaso. Mamatay ka. Sayang yung 7-0 mo. 7-0 standing, bro. Game tayo ay boys. So, maganda yung support si Ambessa Wukong full tank. Ambessa Wukong? Oh, good ultimate. Oh my god, I'm dead. Fuck. Ah, my god, sayang. Ang pangit ng positioning namin doon, biglang nag-gank yung Lace. He started the fad for the Hex core, the Hex tech, right? Sinimulan niya yun talaga. He's the one who started it all for Hex tech. Tapos tinulungan siya ni Victor. So okay na. So, secured namin yung turret. It's fine. I don't have to fight anymore. Hello. Okay, sige. G pa. Salamat sa bagong game mode. Napaka Reneki? Hindi. Sense kasi kaya Dawes, hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Meow. Ayan, hello. Uncle Meow. Nakikita na kita sa wakas. Yeah, let's go Timewinder real quick. The Noxus map will only be available for League PC. Yan, Mini-Pass Zaya, yes. Ayan. Sige, Sion Shimmer build tayo. Meron na ba nakapag-try nun? Sion Shimmer build. Unstoppable ka dun pag... Ano ko? Should be medium, tapos ganyan yung high. Yan. Uy, gagon, dito pala siya. Woo! Hello? Sorry. Sorry. Hindi niyo naman sinabi sa akin na wala palang audio.
Pag nag-clear yan, kaya ko agawin. Layo na pala. Kailangan.
Wala,
Ingat
DDR na sila.
top side. Pucha.
Gagarin mag-isa lang.
We're good. We're good with the objective. Nice, nice, nice. Kaso, oy, okay.
Uy, wala ka sinasabi ha. Wala ka sinasabi eh.
Ayan, so punta naman tayo dito kay ano, kay Karma. Karma, grabe,
Ay, boss.
nakita ko yung
Let's go, Swain. Yeah, let's go, Swain. You know, ramdam ko yung frame drop eh. Lala. Yeah, after this I have to restart. Okay, Nautilus is doing it right. Starting the dragon for me. So, mukhang susubok si Jax ah. Hello. Yan, i-announce ko na lang mamaya yan sa page. And I'll PM you. Ayan, pero, yun, I am back. Sayang. Sena. Para wala silang ano, wala. Ito, gulihin ko lang sila. Ayan, oh. Ignited. Op, nakakita ko. Sorry. Hook, Blitzcrank. Wala si Blitzcrank ng hook. Live on Facebook and TikTok right now. Ito. Kaso wala pa akong ulti. Uy, good job, Oriana. Sige, dadaanan na lang kita. Saludo sa'yo. Oh, shh. He's still alive. You didn't finish it all. Tatakbo na lang ako. Takbo na lang ho. Ayan, okay. TP, then Amaranth tayo. Ano? On the Chinese server? Okay, that's a good fight right there. May nanalo na, boss. Yes, nanalo ka. Yeah. Oh, hello everybody. Hello. Kailan kaya release ng Jace Paranoid skin? Kenji, killing Severe first. Because if she snowballs this game, we're gonna lose. Please, wag na kayong lumapit. Naku si Ari. Ari, please. Ari, please lang. Fuck. Sabi ko sa'yo, wag na. Pangit first game, brother. Kenis. Masakit sa ulo. Yeah, we're definitely good to go. Yerp. Yo, what's up guys? My name is Eisenhart. Welcome back to the stream. Caitlyn with that first blood. Yeah, Emilio just has to push them away with his. Okay. Roll. Wala pa si Crioles. Pero rolling na tayo in a few minutes. Karayot ba? Arcane got robbed. So, back to zero tayo kasi walang audio eh. Teka lang ah. Wala palang audio yung kanina. Ayan na. Going mid. Yung Ani mag-try mag ano ng boto. Magawa niyo dyan. That we've been waiting for so long. Well, I've been waiting for this day. But, you know. Yeah, it's the day Platinum, nasa Platinum dito. Yung mga master rank na magagaling, nasa Platinum dito. And marami kasi sila. Diba? And it takes them a few... There we go. Early gank would work, yeah. But it's going to be hard to gank. Remember, we have the Pyke on the other side. Oh, wait. Defend. Tapos, bumawi sa Torre. Pag nabawian natin ng Torre to, winnable na to. Kasi may bounty na tayo eh. Ayan o. Ayan, so let's try it in 1v1 situation muna. Wala kasi yung ano eh, wala kasing... Ito si Yasuo na. Oh, they're gonna use it. Madami. Diba? The mix between her arcane design and in the game. Yeah. Really, really good. Looks really good. The design team cooked, bro. Pero walang, naka-exhaust yung Kai'Sa, so could be just backline damage, Kai'Sa. Yeah, hopefully we do good in this game. Same plot, talo pa kanina FPS drop. Kaya nga, ewan ko once.
If you would just listen, I'm not here to hurt you. I'm you. From the future.
Wait, what?
Counter Victor. Yung yung mga hard counter na champions kay Victor, madami. Di ba? Hindi lang si Mayone. And we have enough damage. Pak! Ah! Sayang. Hello! Pak! Sapa! Pak! So, I think it makes sense naman. Reroll in again. Reroll in. Drift. Oh, mali. Pero... Op. Si Pokoyan pala to. Sige, kaya kita.
I-freeze ang... Oy, ang gulo mo yun.
Sino ka-lane ko?
Sasayang ng skill.
Eastern Priolos ba to?
Burn, please burn for me. Burn for me, nice. Okay. Gawin natin kutingin si Karma.
Tingnan yung mga kalaban natin, di professional, oh. Hindi nakapwesto sa tamang rules nila, no? Ba't ganun?
Oo nga.
Ano na pala ako dun. Naka-trigger na pala ako dun. Oy, puta, suntukan agad to. Uli ka, bang! Uy, naku po, oh. This server is so... Wala siyang kwenta. That's fine. Yeah. I won't be able to win if I'm not a jungler. I have to do it myself. Okay, I have my ulti down. para ma-fear agad. Well, since last game na, I wanna try Nunu. Sa post natin sa Facebook. Just find the post on Facebook. Spoils of War, the Ambessa Medarda 1v1 challenge. Tapos, kailangan ko nga ayusin ko nga muna to. Wait lang. Ilang control yan. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang muna. How do I edit the controls while on the go? Op, nakapush yung Trinda. Good. Okay lang yan. We're good. Nakapush yung Trinda. It's fine. That's all that matters. Antay na lang tayo. Yan, practice tool tayo. Ayan, okay. Like I said before, players on the server do not give a about objectives, bro. I'm gonna push top side. We have a lot. I don't have any escape spells anymore, so I'm just gonna push. We're going low. Yeah, I'm gonna help bot lane. Nice, so good job, guys. Here we go. Sige, sa'yo yan. Kunin mo na. Huwag ka mahiya. Sa'yo yan. First tower destroyed. Bawi. Sige. Okay, babawian namin kayo. Antay ka lang. Yes! Yes, you deserve it. Die. Die, bitch. Die. Caitlyn with the last minute barrier, bro. Pucha, nakapag-ulti siya. Good on Soraka here, ha. Ayan, Soraka yan. Okay, we're going for ano na? We're going for Riftmaker na tayo. Up, muntik na. Pumutok na yung shield niya. We're good. Lost. Ano yan, Madi? Ano yan?
Lost itlog time.
Ama to, may nawitsen ba to, Aker?
Nagtanong kay Aker kung miniwits.
We're really good at doing decent plays. Oh, ito na naman siya, Jin. Wag muna tayong dikit. She cut her hair. So, back to zero tayo kasi walang audio eh. Teka lang ah. Wala palang audio yung kanina. And ako lang to. Baka may mga Victor mains talaga sa inyo na gustong masanay sa champion na to. You'll do fine. Ayan o, pwede mong i-cast. Ako, mas mabilis sila. Okay, we're good. Stop the time.
Walang flash yan.
Uy, talang. Talang, sumabit yung ano ko.
Eh, patay pa din yan.
Patay. Boss Rebs, dito ka sa likod ko.
Nice one.
Nice. Nabuhat. Kapag di tayo nabuhat, Boss Rebs ha. Ha? Salampas ka na, Boss Rebs ha.
Salampas.
Stretch mo na yung mga dali-daliri mo dyan.
Laksan.
Na-pressure ka
Kailangan ka
na.
namin. Oo. Okay, GG. Kumahayaw na yung cellphone ko ah. Ang init eh. Lang guys, kunin ko nga lang yung ano ko.
You.
Oh, no,
You tayo.
You. Urgot. Asa si
Yan.
Urgot. Yun.
No.
I'll drive. And one final push to the enemy Nexus. Ang next opponent na malapit. Diba? Up. Ayan. O, di ba? Atin 'yan. Tutulungan kita sa lane mo. Tutulungan kita sa lane mo ngayon. Dahil ikaw ay isang mabait na Pilipino. Di ba?
So I was right at some point about Jace.
His business, a clockwork shop from Piltover to Zone. Ayan. So he was an artificer in Piltover that fled to Zone as well. So ang pag-asa. Bang! Nice oh. Good job. You deserve a level Wang MQ disconnected. Disconnected ba siya? Sino to? Ay wala. Walang magulo ha. Okay. Sige. Okay. Alright. Warded. Oh, na-block nila. Ako. There we go. Up. Nice one, Melmadonna going for that global support. Mag-alala. Pag wala naman, okay lang. Habang nagwa-party sila, habang sumasayaw sila, mag-wild trip tayo. Pumatay. Ang tagal. I need more damage. Triple kill. Alrighty then. I think we're good. Ina-expect ko mabubuhay siya dun eh. Wala din ako magawa dun. Sige, okay lang yan. We have Ayan, kasi hindi ko madadodge yan eh. Iwan. Okay, good. Akala ko matatalonan ako eh. Crank? Okay, decent ban. Naku, may Mordekaiser tayo. Uy! Ay, nice play. Hindi pala play yun. Ayang, sayang. Okay. We're gonna get this one. Lux, ito na tayo kay Lux. Kailangan mamatay ni Lux dito para lalaki siya. Ah, wala, sayang. Hindi namatay si Lux.